Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the second lesson of our Smart English main course book. Look here, lesson 2, the stone cutter. Look, here is the picture of a stone cutter. Stone cutter is the man who cuts the stones and make different things from it. Let's start the reading. Once upon a time, there lived a stone cutter. Every day he went to a great rock on the side of a big mountain to cut out slabs for the building houses. He was an adept and skillful workman who had plenty of customers. For a long time he was happy and contented and asked for nothing better than what he had. In the mountain where he cut stones, there lived a spirit, which now and then appeared before men and helped them to become rich and prosperous. Hey, stonecutter, have you seen the mountain spirit? The other villagers asked him often. Nay, he would shake his head, as he had never seen this spirit. One day, the stonecutter carried a large stone to the house of a wealthy man. He saw many beautiful things there, which he had never even dreamt of. Suddenly, his daily work seemed hard and heavy to him. When he returned to the mountainside, he sighed and said to himself, "Oh, if only I were a rich man and could sleep in a bed with silken sheets, how happy I would be." A voice answered, "Your wish is heard, a rich man you shall be." At the sound of the voice, the stonecutter looked around, but he could not see anybody. Thinking the voice to be a figment of his imagination, he picked up his tools and went home. But when he reached his little wooden hut, he stood still with amazement. In place of his hut stood a stately palace filled with splendid furniture. The most splendid of all was the bed. He jumped with joy while enjoying his new rich life. He soon forgot his old one. Time passed and summer came. Each day the sun blazed more fiercely. One morning the heat was so great that the stonecutter could scarcely breathe. In a dull mood, he decided to amuse himself. He peeped through the closed curtain to see what was going on in the street. When a little carriage passed by, it was drawn by servants, dressed in blue and silver. In the carriage sat a prince. Over his head, golden sun umbrella was held to protect him from the sun's rays. "Oh, if I were only a prince," said the stonecutter to himself, as the carriage vanished around the corner. "If I could go in such a carriage and have a golden umbrella held over me, how happy I would be." Now here are some difficult words and their meanings. Look, the first word is slabs. Slice of stone means पत्थर के बड़े बड़े टुकड़े. Contented means satisfied. Satisfied यानी मुतमईन या खुश. Prosperous, well to do यानी कामयाब या खुशहाल ज़िंदगी. Silken, smooth as silk. Silken means smooth as silk यानी सिल्क की तरह नरम मुलायम. Look, the word is figment. Figment means part यानी एक हिस्सा. Blazed. Blazed means burned यानी बहुत तेज़ गरम जला हुआ या बहुत ही कोई तेज़ चीज़. अमेजमेंट, सरप्राइज यानी हैरान कौन। स्केर्सली, हार्डली यानी बहुत मुश्किल से। स्प्लेंडेड, वंडरफुल यानी शानदार चीज़ कोई। स्कारलेट, रेडिश ऑरेंज, इट्स अ color name. Okay, now may repeat your reading and record your voice. Send it to me on my personal number. Thank you.